G'day viewers, today just going to be quickly installing this LED trailer module that I built in my last video. But I'll show you where I had the previous one installed and what wires I've cut to make it work. So just in the left rear cargo panel, you can see this green and yellow wiring. That's the indicators down to the trailer plug. I've previously cut these. I've actually put just spade terminals on so I can actually reconnect them if need be in the future. But for now, I'm going to put the module in the spot where the old toe, the original toe hitch used to be. I might have to so I want to fit this module just in here where the original tow receiver was stored, but that's not going to fit the way I like it, so I might just try and trim out some of that foam just to give it a bit of a spot to sit in. That should do the trick, I think. Just enough to lower it down. The rest we can probably feed that under actually. That'll keep things a bit neater. There we go. Crimp that earth. It's always handy to use factory earth points where you can. Just makes life a little bit easier. And we'll just do a final tape up, just to neaten all this up. I'll then cable tie it in place as well. these ones up as well. Again, it'll just be a little bit of extra security, stop it from popping out unexpectedly. That tape's not going to fit through it. Well, that's it. Now it's just a matter of trying it out, see if she works. So this is the indicator flash we get all the time with LED trailer lights. So this is what we've been trying to prevent with that module. So let's hit that magic switch. Have a look, see if it's worked. No flashing. The other thing with the LED module, guys, is when we use the indicators on the disco, is we get the little trailer indication. If you've got incandescent bulbs, it's a good way of knowing if your bulbs are actually working. But with LEDs, it's just a matter of knowing the car's recognising that there's a trailer hooked on. But there you have it, guys. That's all that's involved in hooking in that LED trailer module. If you haven't seen how I built that, I'll throw a link to the previous video up here somewhere, I guess. But anyway, until next time, take it easy, guys.